Hey guys, it's Corey again. Today I'm going to go over the Air documentation again. This one is on post-call outcome versus yesterday was post-call data. When we look at these things, these are two things that are sent. They're two basically webhooks that are fired and create a post on the target. They create a post request on the targeted URL. The detailed information, we're going to go over that, what's in them, but the two are very similar, post-call outcome and post-call data. So post-call outcome gets all of what post-call data has, but it has uh, three additional areas: notes, the outcome, and the primary outcome achieved flag. Basically, true, false is a Boolean on that. Notes, these are the summarized notes that get put into the into the message going out. So if, let's say you're using Go High Level, you could take these summarized notes and put those in on a calendar appointment or just notes on the call or whatever you want to do with those things. And I'll show you where those get modified inside an agent. Got an agent up here. The other thing is outcome, and I don't know all the values that outcome can take, but booked appointment is one of them. Let's see, determine. Yep, setup steps tracking right there. So the outcome of the call determined by AI following the prompts set in your agent under setup steps tracking. So we'll take a look at that one too to see what the possible values are for outcome. And then primary outcome achieved, true, false, I believe it's just a Boolean. Yep, it's a Boolean. Just true or false. So you could be able to flag off of that and do something different. So let's take a look at notes first, and then we'll jump on to the outcome. I didn't know that outcome could be modified, so we'll take a look at it too. So generating notes generated by the AI that summarizes the call, you can optimize the prompt used to generate these notes within the post-call notes section inside the agent editor. So here's the agent editor, and I've just pulled up one test agent that I was working on, and we will take a look over here, and this is the post-call notes, which is what is noted right here, post-call notes. So that section, while you're editing your agent, is right there. Anyhow, this is the format, the template that's being used to modify and to tell the AI exactly what to do. So general context background on an agent, on the prospect, put some notes in there, hyper-specific and relevant details about the prospect's goals, using exact numbers if the prospect mentioned them, hyper-specific and relevant details about the prospect's pain points / problems, use exact numbers if the prospect mentioned them, hyper-specific and relevant notes or details about the prospect's objections that they have, hyper-specific and relevant details about the prospect's financial qualifications, use exact numbers, specific relevant word-for-word quotes from the prospect that vividly illustrate their goals, pains, objections, and qualifications. So how you can use these is take the summarized notes. This is going to save a lot of time and a lot of misinterpretation. You take these notes and those can go right into the calendar so that anyone who's calling, a closer's calling, or someone's just calling to follow up with this person, they are able to see these specific details. So you can just save that. I'll jump into the other one, and that is the setup stats tracking. That one is right here, setup stats tracking. So this one has, these are, yep, booked appointment, and then you can put in your own custom one, enter the name. Did not, well, let's see, yeah, did not. Let's see, booked call. How about booked call? And verified tracking. Automatic tracking, no setup, highly accurate. Okay. And then what needs to happen? The prospect needs to agree booking a follow-up call. So follow-up call or appointment on the phone. Follow-up phone call. Yeah, just let's call it a phone. Yeah, phone appointment, or we'll do it that way. Follow-up phone appointment or phone call. So I'll put that one in there. So this one will have primary is book to call. Follow-up is on my do not call list. You want to track any other outcomes? Oh, no. Anyway, that is kind of going over the post-call outcome and looking a little bit at the possible modifications that you can make to that. Again, setting up the webhook is the same as the other one. You just want to make sure that you name it post-call outcome versus post-call data. And the bearer token is still an option. Kind of a suggestion, fake token goes here. If you're not using one, it does need something in order to operate, I believe. Yeah. Recommended to use real token in production setups. Testing your webhook. Conduct a test, place a call through Air. Check that post request was received and the correct data structure. So again, Air.ai for support, or if you're working with us, you can contact me. Anyhow, I will get this posted and we'll talk to you later.